What's up, everyone? How's everybody doing out there? Sunday, we're heading into the elections on Tuesday. I want to kind of see what's happening with the market and kind of see what we have in store this coming week. It's going to be crazy this week. I can just see it. I can feel it. It's going to be crazy. There's going to be some opportunities. There's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of deadly trades out there if you're not careful. And what I just wanted to do is I made a video on time frame continuity before, but I want to get into it a little deeper. And I want to also give a shout out to Rob Smith in the Black, and I'm going to leave the link down below. And I want you to go to his channel. I want you to go watch his videos, digest what he's teaching. It's all free, and it is life-changing stuff here. I've traded for over 10 years, and I was a failure. I tried everything that I could get my hands on, and it didn't work because I could not do it properly. Therefore, my confidence level was low. Therefore, my emotions were getting into play, and I just couldn't trade properly because I was an emotional wreck because I had no idea what was going on. I had every indicator up on the screen, and it just looked like a 3-year-old got his crayon set and just destroyed my monitor. It was horrible. I had no idea what was going on. Until I came across Rob Smith, started watching his videos, started studying for months, and then started getting into it, trading little by little. Things started getting better. I can see what's happening now on a better than I ever have before. I am clearly not where I need to be as far as a trader yet, but I'm on my way. Rob does this for free, so I want to pass this along to you for free. I want to be someone that helps for free. Because trading there's enough money out there to be made on trading for everybody, and I don't need to be charging anybody anything for anything, and Rob's the same way. He's an exceptional, super nice guy. Follow him on Twitter, Rob Smith in the Black. Follow him, The Strat, on Facebook. It's a community of traders where we exchange things together and we bounce ideas off each other. We show screenshots of each other and kind of helping each other out on how we can advise one another. It is incredible what the Strat is doing. So please, the link's down below. Get to his channel, start learning. One thing that I learned off the bat that Rob teaches is time frame continuity again. He learned the differences between the candles. This is an outside candle, right? It broke the top and it broke the bottom of the previous candle. That is an outside, or what Rob calls a number 3, a 3 candle. This one next to it didn't break anything. Didn't go outside the bottom, didn't go outside the top. Didn't break, couldn't do anything. The bulls tried, the bears tried. It didn't go anywhere. That is a 1. A 2 is a candle that breaks up on the outside of the previous day or below. This green here is one that broke above, so that's a 2. This is a 2. This is a 2. This is a 2. Okay? Let's see if it's likewise with the red. Here's a 2 because it broke down below, it didn't break above. Here's another inside. Okay, and they all tell stories. They all tell you exactly what's happening and what price action at the moment's happening. And lagging indicators don't work. They don't give you real-time action of what's happening. It's like Rob says, it's an oxymoron. Why do you want to learn something that happened before? I want to know what's happening now, and I want to know what's going to happen. And you can, because this tells you. Price action shows you. So we know that this is on the inside. What does that tell us? The inside candle, the 1 candle, does one thing, and it's just imagine it's a hurricane, it's a typhoon, it's an earthquake. It's up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, especially on the lower time frames. You get killed down there when you're trying to trade on an inside candle. So you want to set yourself up, set your monitor up. I'll switch down here to my, let's go here, my TOS, where I'll have like the 10-minute for trading. And I'm watching this. I have my hourly and I have my daily. And this is when I'm looking at something to trade, this is what I have up. Okay, I don't trade off the 10 unless the 1 hour is in the right position. If everything's going right, then I'll go down to the 10 and look at it. And again, I'll even look at the 15. My other screen, again, I have 3. I was just doing some research, but I'm usually keeping that at the 10, and then down here is the 15, and then I have the hour, the week, the daily, and then the month. I want to see everything that's happening with this stock. I want to see if I'm going to get in at the bell, and is this thing starting to go down? What's happening over here? What's this candle doing? Okay, same thing. What is it doing on the week? What's it doing on the daily? Okay, we know that it went down before it went back up, right? Because this is the finish of the day. But as it's happening, we can see what's going on. So time frame continuity is this. It's that the day's matching up with the month and the week and the hour. These 4 are lined up together, and if it's the hour is an inside candle, do not trade it at all. Okay, like this here, 8:30 on the previous day, that hour, you don't want to trade because it's inside. It's up and it's down. It's up and you're going to get chopped up. So on the previous day at 8:30, what did it look like? Let's go to the 10-minute. Previous day at 8:30. Let me back this out. Previous day at 8:30. What do we got? Okay, you have this section right here. And what is it? It's up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Choppiness. You don't want anything to do with that until you get to about 9:20. And what happens? Let's go down here to the 15-minute. What happens at 9:20? There you go. You get a break below the previous candle, which makes that a 2 to the downside, meaning momentum's going to start to go down south. So it did. So you could have got in here and then boom, rode those 3 15-minute candles and made a little bit of money. I see this as it's happening. I don't have to rely on horizontal lines everywhere. You can see the lines I draw are all what? They're going out at angles because these are broadening formations. And that's what we go by. We go by price action. Rob will explain this a lot more clear than I can. Again, if the monthly, week, daily, hour, those 4 time frames, you look at it, if you might have one that's not in tune at the higher range, you can still get away with some trading. But once you get down to the lower time frames, because things move so fast, you don't want to mess with it. You want time frame continuity. Base hits wins games. Remember that. Base hits wins games. We're in this for the long haul. This is a marathon, not a sprint. But you see how that happens. Within that day that was just tanking here, on the 1 hour, that first hour, and then you're thinking, oh, it's going to continue on, and then you jump in here, and even though this candle did not break the red, this next candle did not break here, it didn't tell you to keep going. It told you to get out once this thing popped, because all it did was go straight up and then tailed back down a little bit. This tells you not to continue. This tells you to get out of the trade if you went short here in the first hour. But how do you know that you wanted to go short here? What did the week say? The week sure looks you're getting red, like you're red, you're going down, and it's on the downside. That's a 2 to the down. And then what did the month tell you? The month tell you you're inside, be careful, but it's red, it's tanking. So that would have been an all right trade. But could you have stayed in longer? Let's see what we got here. Could you have stayed in longer into this trade to here? Not if you're holding an option, not if you're holding a put on Friday expiration, you'd have lost it. So you would have made your trade and then gotten out at the first sign and then that would have been it. But again, once this does not violate the previous, you get out of the trade. You don't continue, because it's not going to come back. You don't take that chance, because that's bag holding, and we're not bag holders anymore. Okay, we're responsible traders who are trading with confidence, because we know what's happening. We know what's going on in the market, because we see this. And once you get this time frame continuity, you're going to get confidence, and you're going to learn. And when you learn, you start to make money, and then you start making proper trades. You start seeing more, and you start seeing things happening. And again, just continue on, study, go to Rob Smith in the black, look for the link down below, watch his videos, join the Facebook group, follow him on Twitter. We're all a community. Discord, there's a group, The Strat, on Discord. Join it. We're all here to help. We're all helping one another learn how to trade. This is the best thing I've seen trading, period. So come on aboard, join the Strat, join the rest of us, and we look forward into having you and teaching you and helping each other out. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Hit like, subscribe. More videos coming. Thanks.